sea travel. What this voyage means is that for tourists, hindi na mahal ang pagbiyahe papuntang Siargao. No? Kasi for the longest time, mahal because our plane fares are so expensive. It's expensive because we have a short runway, so kaya maliliit ang eroplano. And with the completion of this Siargao International Cruise Port and this direct voyage from Manila to Siargao, that has changed. This trip means, first, a more affordable way to reach Siargao. Ordinary families can now say, kaya na natin pumunta ng Siargao. Our own people, kami mga Siargao nun, can go to Manila also. Kaya na sad namo mukadtonan Manila. Second, a stronger local economy. More tourists for our homestays, for our resorts, for our eateries, restaurants, our tour operators. More customers for our farmers, our fisher folks, and small businesses. And lower logistics cost for goods coming in and products go. Number one, mga katulong, ang tugo sa pagpababa ng presyo ng pagkain para sa ating mga turista at para sa mga Siargaonon. Kasi pag ang cargo cost mababa din lahat ng items na pumapasok sa Siargao. And third, it is a vote of confidence in our island, Siargao. A major company like Togo would not open this route if they did not believe in Siargao. Maraming salamat, Togo. This shows that our investments in infrastructure like this cruise port, international cruise port, are not just for show. They are working and they are opening real doors. So maraming salamat sa Togo family. This day is the result of many people working together. First, the Togo Group, the SM Group of Company. Thank you for believing in Siargao. Thank you for opening this route. Sa ating Kapitan Ranilo Lanticse, Chief Tech Superintendent Jack Sakilayan, sa Senior Vice President Apollo Santos, our Chief Mate Fernando Badon, Chief Engineer Emmy Tampos, our Senior Assistant Vice President Francis Janchua, Ms. Sharon, Elaine, and the rest of officers and staff of Togo. And most especially to the Sea family of SM Group, salamat gazod karajaw sa pagkanhinido dinhi sa isla ng Siargao. To our partners in national government, the Department of Transportation, the Philippine Coast Guard, the Philippine Ports Authority, headed by GM J. Santiago, and of course, dito sa Dapa, headed by Mr. Roed Pomoy, and all those behind the Siargao International Cruise Port Project. Again, salamat karajaw. To the LGU of Dapa, sa hubang na barangay, Captain Chuna Rosales, hawag mo, dari manager kasi they will show their talent pag-welcome sa ato din Kuman. To our tourism frontliners, our drivers, van drivers, so at the back, our porters, our tour guides, our hotel and restaurant staff, market vendors, security guard, and all those who are working in the tourism